Hi, Blair Gilbert from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to discuss how come the refrigerator isn't getting as cold as it used to. I've been told by the appliance repairmen that come into my hardware store the most common problem with refrigerators that don't get cold when the heat is high is that the heat exchanger, which is like a radiator in the refrigerator, gets filled with lint. Come down, we pop off the grill. It's got little finger stamps. We could make a blanket out of what's on that heat exchanger. So that grill work you're looking at in there is what dumps off the heat that the refrigerator creates as it makes it cold. This particular refrigerator, the main part of the grill is right in the front. We may slide it out and do it from the back also, but I'm going to show you a couple tools that I like to use when I've done this before. So I use different diameters of PVC, and it's called a refrigerator brush. Go figure. So I can take this and slide it underneath, but I don't want to just push dust around. I want to grab it. So what I do is I take a shop vac or any kind of a vacuum cleaner and I cheat. This happens to be pretty darn lucky for me. I cheat the hose onto the PVC. These are bigger. I put the PVC in. I use my hand as an adapter. I turn on the vacuum cleaner. I'm going with this long wand. I can reach in farther than I usually can with the refrigerator. And I suck up the first pile of lint. Then I take the brush. I loosen up the lint that this couldn't get to. I go back in, I vacuum it again. So we sucked up all the easy lint. Now we're going to go in, we're going to loosen it up, and we're going to do this again. Just to let you know, this is a piece of 3/4 PVC. I'm going to come back with a smaller PVC so I could get to that upper grill work a little better job. A lot of vacuum hoses are too big, won't even reach in there. We had PVC, we used a crevice tool, and we used the fact that we could bend the refrigerator brush. We've got 90% lint out of there. Get the lint out of the radiator, the fridge will transfer heat better, it'll be more efficient, it'll save you electricity, and the refrigerator will be cooler. Just a quick tip, home maintenance from MrHardware.com.